Hello everyone. Today I want to do a special announcement for all of you out there. This is going to be me giving back as much as possible to you people who have been watching my videos for such a long time. So hear me out. I have realized that YouTube is a really powerful platform, but sadly most of the businesses out there are not using YouTube properly. Even if they are not using it in a way that is effective and that drives growth for their business, right? And so what I want to do is that I want to create a platform or an agency in which we will help businesses use YouTube and video marketing to drive growth. This is my idea. The name of the startup is MarkitUp. MarkitUp.in is the website. Just go and take a look at that. Link to that would be in the description. And basically we'll be doing content creation for businesses. That is the main idea behind MarkitUp. Now I am a co-founder. I have my roommate Saransh, who is the co-founder, and let's talk about what's in it for you, right? I'm making videos, I'm managing the social media handles of these businesses, but what's in it for you out there? We will be requiring video editors, people who can create some great professional videos for these businesses. I need people who are great at graphic design. I need people who are great at social media marketing. If any of these 3-4 things are interesting to you, if you have experience into that, I have a Google form in the description that you can fill, and after that we will get in touch. I will see your work, and if that is interesting, then we'll start working together. I think this is the biggest problem that many people have. They are great at creating something, they're great at coding, they're great at graphic design, video editing, UI UX, but the problem is that they are not able to get their first client. And that's where I think I can help you out. If you are great at any of these things that I've just listed before, then we can work together. Okay, now if you were to click the link, that Google form will have your name. So you need to fill your name, you need to fill in your basic topic that you specialize in. Let's say you specialize in graphic design or video editing, or you specialize in maybe social media management or Facebook ads, whatever that is, just select that option. And after that, you need to put in what work you have done. Okay, what work you have done and what experience do you have? Maybe you've worked with some clients. If you have not worked with some clients, put in whatever projects you've made yourself. Okay, do that, and I will be taking a look at every single entry that I get. Now make sure this is not for people who are beginners. This is not for people who have no experience, that are still learning. If you are one of those people, you should really focus on making projects, and once you have made the projects, you can then start applying. So what I want is that you can apply, and then we will be working on a freelance basis. So let's say I get a client, I get a business who want to use YouTube to drive growth for their revenue, for their users and all that. So what we can do is that they will give the project to us, and I will give whatever work you can perform best to you. You will be working on a freelance basis, right? This is what I want you to understand. It will definitely be paid. You will never be doing any unpaid work, okay? That's what I want you to understand. Never go for, these clients who tell you that, oh, just show me your work or do this project for me. I want to see how it looks like and all. Don't worry. We'll be working and you will definitely get paid. This is what I want you to understand. Creating content is huge in 2021, right? If you can learn this skill, there's a lot of opportunities for you. One of them is MarkitUp. Now, if you happen to be a business, maybe you're like a co-founder, or maybe you are in the founding team of some business, and you want to use YouTube to drive growth for your business, if you want to understand how to manage social media, if you want to get started with all of these things, there is a link in the description with which you can schedule a call with me, and we can get to know exactly what you need and where we can help you out. Okay, this is going to be something that I will be putting in a lot of effort into, and I will also be wanting people who can edit my own videos, edit my own thumbnails. That is what I am also looking forward to. So if you want to work with me, if you want to help me make better videos, and if you would also be interested in helping other businesses grow by making videos for them as well, and you would also end up making some good side income by doing something like this, if you are interested, make sure that you fill the link, the Google form in the description, and I hope to work with you, and let's make something amazing together. ठीक है, तो फॉर्म भरो and let's start working. Bye bye.